If you're experiencing lag spikes on your Steam Deck, there are several steps you can take to improve performance. Follow this guide to help resolve the issue. Step 1. Check for software updates. Ensure your Steam Deck is running the latest software version. Go to Settings, select System, and check for updates. Installing the latest updates can fix bugs and improve performance. Step 2. Optimize game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the games that are lagging. Access the game's settings menu and reduce options like resolution, texture quality, and shadow details. This can help the device run smoother. Step 3. Manage background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Press the Steam button, navigate to the library, and exit any games or apps that are not in use to free up system resources. Step 4. Adjust power settings. Change the power settings to prioritize performance. Go to Settings, select Performance, and adjust the power profile to performance instead of battery saver to enhance the device's capabilities. Step 5. Clear cache and reinstall games. If lag persists, clear the cache of the games experiencing issues or consider reinstalling them. This can resolve any corrupted files that may be causing performance problems. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce or eliminate lag spikes on your Steam Deck, leading to a smoother gaming experience.